What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy back once again, Rich Nice. As I promised, we're gonna go over the S3 today. And I'll show you all the mods and everything my son done to his car. Thank God he'll be back next week, so I ain't gotta take care of it no more. So we'll go from here. It's a 2015 Audi S3, as you can see. Alright, some of the mods that it has a CTS intercooler, which is right down there. Not sure if y'all can see that. 3.5-inch downpipe, which is right there. Here's the old CTS cold air intake. There's a CTS blowout valve. I know it's tucked down in there somewhere. He has a CTS catch can, which is right here. He has an ESC upgraded springs, which is why it sits so low to the ground, front and rear. And it's also been tuned by United Motorsport. It has 401 rear wheel horsepower, 379 foot-pounds of torque, and it's making right around 27 psi out of a 4-cylinder all-wheel drive. So that's basically a quick run around of the car. See underneath his hood, all his little stickers and stuff. CTS turbo. His turbo's also been upgraded, which you really can't tell, but it's right back there. Like I say, it's a very nice car for somebody that's 27 years old. He has the carbon fiber spoiler in the back. He also has his little toe pin. You wouldn't understand. He also has the carbon fiber front splitter. So let's take a look on the inside. Oh. I'll turn this down for YouTube ban me. So he has all the bells and whistles in it, sunroof, leather, heated seats. He has nav. Look down here, it'll tell you all the good bells and whistles. You hit the up, there's his nav. Down for your telephone. Hit this one up, there's your radio. Hit it one more time. There's your FM, your AM. Back to your Sirius. You hit down. There's your Bluetooth. Your volume control, parking brake, push start. Then you have all your buttons where you can zoom in on the map. So what we're gonna do is, since I ain't started this car in over a week and a half, we're gonna take it around the block real quick. I'll give y'all a little test ride. y'all can hear that turbo. And I must tell you, this thing is super quick for a car that weighs right around 3,000 pounds, maybe a little more, maybe a little less. With all-wheel drive, 401 horsepower. Yes, sir, all day long. Boost for days. She is definitely ready. And by the way, this car is named Selena, and she sits low and pretty. He might be up to selling it because he wants to start a new project. So if you PM us, serious inquiries only, he might want to sell it. You never know, because a lot of other projects out there that we can get into. So until next time, one love. Next video coming up will more than likely be beast mode. Now this can't run with beast mode. It'll give it a good try if we got the black key. And I'll explain all that in the next video. Once again, to all my new subscribers, because there was 2 or 3 of y'all that subscribed, thank you so much. I appreciate it. All my other subscribers that's been with me from day one, I thank you so much. Please stay around. Please pass it on. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, so when I load up beast mode, you'll know when it is. And we'll go from there. Until next time, one love. Peace.